Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. I'm here today to show you how to use a pro highlighter brush to highlight your face in just a very few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your brush and your highlight of choice, go ahead and just swirl some product on there, tapping off the excess. I always like to start with the top of the cheekbones. You're just going to want to start right here, right in line with your eye. Take the product and then blend backwards. This is the most ideal brush for highlighting because it has that perfect tapered point that you can get into all those areas of your face, and it makes it so ideal to do especially the tops of your cheekbones. You can also do this right here on the bridge of your nose to accentuate that area, and right on the tip of your nose because it's going to help lift up the nose as well. This brush is the perfect size to get in more precise areas like right around here on your nose, or if you want to hit your cupid's bow, but it's also big enough to get areas such as your cheekbones as well. And then the last trick is to do your collarbone. This is going to be perfect for any occasion that you might have. If your collarbone is showing, it's just going to add that feminine touch, and it's going to really make your collarbone just stand out. And there you have it, how to highlight the face and collarbone in just a very few easy, simple steps using the Pro Highlighter brush.